Oh no.
You need to show your face first.
Huh? There we go. Oh, I can't.
Hi guys, we have a dog. Today one person's going to be roller skating with the dog. So yeah, let's start the video. Okie dokie.
So, okay then. Now we will be starting the video. Okay. So here we have the dog. The dog here. And yeah, the person over here. Yeah, okay. We can't show his face. You can show his t-shirt. Okay, let's start the skating. Dog skating. Okay. Okie dokie.
Okay.
Let's start.
You get back.
Okay. Okay. Here's the dog, and here's the person skating with his roller skate. Let's go faster. Go, go, go. Dog's running. See that? Can you see it? See it? It's good.
Yeah.
And the dog's still running. Let's see if the dog can run properly. And that's the skates. The dog's still running. Oh, let's see if the dog can do. Dog's still running when we stop before we get to the road. Yeah, he stopped. Here's the dog.
No, we need to come in.
Also, please can you comment? Please can you comment and subscribe my channel.
Bye.
Bye.